Industrial logic builds eLearning to help teach test-driven development. In C#, we use Visual Studio with ReSharper.
Industrial Logic's recorder monitors your test-driven development activity. We want our critique to be like having an expert look over your shoulder. The recorder plugs into ReSharper, which runs inside Visual Studio.
Then we generate a graph that looks like this.
The graph contains quite a bit of information. The background tells you the state of the system. White means you have no errors. Pink means you have compiler errors. Red means you have failing tests. And green means you have passing tests. The line gives you a score. You get points for things like making a test that fails or making it pass. Down below you have the details, showing the compilation errors and the tests that fail or pass. Events show you the things you get points for. Statistics show you the amount of time you spend in each state, either overall or during refactoring. Let's see the session that generated those graphs. We'll start with compilation errors. When you're writing a new test, you'll often mention classes or methods that don't exist yet. And you can see those compiler errors here. We have an empty method, and then we reference class, spreadsheet, and the method get. Now let's watch test-driven development. We'll see that our test fails. We'll do something simple to make it pass. And we'll go on to the next test. We see the test fail. But instead of fixing it right away, we're going to take a diversion and do a little refactoring. We'll create a setup method. Now let's go make the test pass. You can see the TDD in the graph. You get the events for the tests that failed and passed. In our next test, and we lost a point because we decided to go refactor while we were red. Eventually we get the test passing and we're moving forward again. Finally, let's look at refactoring. We'll start by improving some naming. Then we'll pull spreadsheet out to its own file. In the graph, you see those 3 refactorings. We kept our state green during that time, just like you should. I hope this demo has given you a sense of the possibilities for tools that help us improve our programming skill. The recorder is just one part of our e-learning. GE, Google, HP, and many others have found this to be a great way to help teams build skills.